With concerns over COVID still pretty high right now, a number of cities and towns are bringing back testing sites to try and keep people safe and informed. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now in Meriden, where one of these locations just closed up for the day. Matt?
Yeah, Mark, they are actually just wrapping up right now. They were pretty busy straight up since 3 o'clock this afternoon. Probably slowed down for a little bit, gave them a chance to rest around 5:30, but it was nonstop. As you can see, the folks sort of wrapping up their day here. They're at this parking lot on Orange Street in Meriden 3 days a week. But even before they showed up this afternoon, there was a line of cars waiting for them to start. A line of cars makes its way into the parking lot, each one with someone inside looking for a COVID test.
Our numbers are beginning to climb again.
So this week, the city of Meriden, along with the Connecticut Department of Public Health, relaunched free COVID testing for anyone 5 and up.
Just because it keeps everybody safer.
It's not just Meriden with rising cases either. Hartford reopened COVID testing sites, and so too did Waterbury, which is offering testing 7 days a week at the Brass Mill Center.
Well, I think it's great, but people got to stay safe. Everybody need to get their COVID shot and be done with it, and then they ain't got to worry about it. They ain't got to worry about catching nothing like that.
Here in Meriden, roughly 60% of eligible residents are vaccinated. But with kids back in school full-time and those 12 and under still not able to get the shot, the city says testing is key, especially with the highly contagious Delta variant.
We're seeing several more children testing positive, whether it's the sports, whether it's close contacts in school. Just with the increase in numbers of cases in the last couple of weeks, school back in session, there has been an increase in testing.
If you need a test, unlike before, you don't have to worry about an invasive swab going up your nose. Here in Meriden, they're doing a PCR saliva-based test with the results back in 48 hours.
I think it's a little bit easier for them. It's maybe less invasive for them, so they're more willing to do that.
And that's what the city's Health and Human Services Department wants to see.
It's the #1 mitigation strategy. If you're eligible, receive the vaccine, continue with your vaccination schedule, continue to get testing. If you have symptoms, stay home, especially to parents. If your children are not feeling well, keep them home and get them tested.
Now, in addition, from Thursdays from 3 to 6 here, testing will also be offered from 9 to noon, both on Saturdays and Tuesdays. Of course, the city's still pushing that vaccination clinics as well. There'll be a number of pop-ups, including at the Boys and Girls Club in Meriden on September 21st and 28th, and then also downtown at the YMCA on September 23rd and the 30th. We're live with the Mobile Newsroom in Meriden. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Matt, thank you very much. And continuing to